Good morning. Good. Oh, you fell over. You fell over. Mia, what did you dream about? What did you dream about? What did you dream about? Boo. 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 What do you see? What do you see? Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Boo. 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 Are you a morning whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you a morning person? Yeah, when you get to sleep until 9 o'clock.
My breakfast doesn't look the greatest, does it? It's alright. No one eats breakfast nowadays. Coach sitting by himself. I'm the only one up on my team right now. Tired. Say what's up to the camera. Yes, sir. My friend.
When I need to shower, I just stick her in the stroller. Because she crawls around and she gets into everything, and at least in the stroller I know she'll be right here and not going anywhere as she eats her candy. She has her keys right here frozen and she chooses a bag. I'm gonna have some breakfast now, and I'm just gonna have some yogurt and granola. It's like my favorite thing to get because it's quick and easy, and Mia likes to eat my food. You want some yogurt? I hated Greek yogurt before coming to Greece, and now it's like what I eat for breakfast. What's wrong? You want yogurt? No hand. Then why do you want it if you make that face? You want more? She makes an ugly face, but then she wants more. Are you tired still? You want more yogurt? You want more? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Blessing a rock with Megan's name on it. It's not special. She's not even there. She's in space. A cemetery is a lovely. It's an honor to be a bride.
Let's see what kind of shells I can find out here. That's if I can find any shells at all. All I see is rocks. Found a bottle. I got a bottle. I got a bottle. I got a bottle. Hey, 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 hey. It's a pretty cool rock, I guess. It's flat. Great for skipping. Let's see. Nothing. Not good at skipping rocks, I guess. Oh, end of my trip, my daily adventures. beach rocky as hell. The beach nice as hell though. Got his ass. Got him. This beach nice. On the beach with socks on. Oh well. Like it. Jump in the pool, no water. Head first. Straight. It's a dolphin in there though. For sure, for sure. That's that water.
That's that water. Oh, check that bridge over there. The bridge is nice.
That's the bridge we crossed. You asleep?
Oh, darn.
That's the mountains. Nah.
Down the cruise right there.
Down the cruise.
Down the cruise out there.
It's nice.
Can we get down there?
Look at you taking pictures. Looking at the views. Looks nice out here.
Can't get down there?
I feel like there's some break, man.
That's another pool with no water.
You have to go the prohibited way.
With an inch of dirty water. Call me Bouncy Meats for a reason. Gotta jump over everything. No homo.
Did you take a nap? You want to get up? Up. Oh. Did you take a... Boo. Yeah. What are you trying to do? I don't get it. Whoa, you're falling! You're falling! Me, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're so wobbly. You're so wobbly right now. Why are you so wobbly? High five? Give mommy high five. High five. High five. High five. Shake your hand, shake your hand. Say hello, hello. Say hello. Hello, Mia. Back to sleep. you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Game time. Well, headed to the game. Can barely fit under the ceiling. Hat stay on until I get a haircut. Let's go get this win. Hey, Gary hide behind me. About to get on this bus. Hey. These boys ain't ready.
So it's now 4 o'clock and it's still raining. So we haven't left the house. We just came out here on... You see all the rain? It's not that cold, but it's like super, super rainy. And then the wind comes and then it's like unbearable. But yeah, this rain needs to stop because it's super hard for me to leave the house with her and the rain. And we don't want you to get sick, huh? So I made peas for Mia. You gonna eat some peas for dinner? You gonna eat some peas? I made peas for her. She doesn't like them like pureed. She likes me to like pop them, is a way to say it. I'll show you how I do it. Like I boil them till they get like really, really pruny, and then I like pop them. I don't know how to explain it. I just use frozen peas too, because I don't even know if they sell bags of peas here. So just get whatever I can. And then for myself, I just made some pasta tonight because I don't know, it's just so hard to cook for myself because this little girl likes to be on the move and get into everything. Huh? You get into everything? You go everywhere you know you can't go. Like the outlets in the apartment have like covers on them, and she's already figured out how to open them. And she's not even 7 months yet. I'm like, really? Let's go back to where she was like 3 months and she couldn't crawl, she couldn't roll over, she just sat there. I'm just kidding. It's getting fun, but it's at the point where it's like, don't do that, no, don't do that. And she just stares at you and she smiles and you know she understands because she just gives you that little smirk like she knows she's not supposed to be there. Want your peas? The yummy? The yummy? Like I just pop it into her mouth and leave the skin, and she eats it. Are you eating it? Yummy. Is it yummy? Oh, it almost came out. It almost came out of your mouth. So that's what I do. I just pop them into her mouth and she eats them. Then she'll like see my, so I just made like pasta with garlic and some vegetables. And she'll see my vegetables and she'll want them even though she has her own. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're pulling my hair. That's not, yeah. That's not funny. You have to open your hand and let go. Open. Open. Look at that drool. Open. Mia. Was that you? No. That's my nose. Ow. Why are you biting me? Why are you biting? No. You have to be nice. You have to be nice. Good night. Kisses? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you got a little mohawk. I'm gonna go take her a bath and then try to put her to bed. So maybe tomorrow I'll put up our Christmas tree or something fun. We'll see. Demetris took it down for me, but he didn't take down the rest of the decorations and I can't reach.
Laying in bed, mad as hell. Took an L today. Now we got film, but it's gonna be like 2-3 hours. Talking about, I don't know, nothing. Oh, this is a Greek hotel. Beds are small as hell. I'm lower than the beds. Shit. I'm even wider than the bed. That's how close the beds be. We had to move them. Can't have two guys over 6'8" sleeping next to each other. It's kind of homo. Oh! Time to go to film. Let's see how long this be. I'm out. Walking film. Going down these stairs, bro. Like this. Everybody depressed. Coach, I'm not happy. Mad finals.
No, man. You have partner to be mad. I just laugh, enjoy.
Just laugh.
You don't do nothing.
I feel you. Words of encouragement. Newt, you got anything to say to the camera? Nothing.
Why are you recording?
I'm recording everybody. Nothing.
Everybody except yourself.
I record myself too. Alone.
Hello.
Alone.
What do you say to yourself?
What do I say to myself? What do I say to the people? I guess Greeks are shy, huh? You know, talk to the camera. Yeah, I need nothing to say.
What to say?
Yeah.
We are the best team in Europe.